Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it when you try to create account on Instagram and you just receive this error, sorry, something went wrong creating your account, please try again soon. So how you can fix it? So first thing, you need to wait some time because also it can be temporarily blocked for of Instagram, so you just need to wait until your action will be unblocked. And also if you don't want to wait, you can also try to go to the settings, just open the settings and just try to change your network. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use mobile data and turn off Wi-Fi. And if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. So just change your network. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. And if you still have the server, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also if you have another device, just try to create account from another device and from another network. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.